you okay?
This is the Amtrak.
Let's look you say like there's nothing off railroad. That's the machine off railroad. Who was Amtrak would have passed by here. Where's the machine off?
I'm here for a while, okay? Okay?
Was I'm waiting for the Amtrak to show up, and I don't know which train it's at. There's not that much off. I'm still waiting for one Amtrak train, so I can't wait all day. So the other trains are from subways. So there's an Amtrak coming, but I don't know what time. It's probably not gonna come. And this just is I think to the I think that's the Amtrak track right here. So. I think this is the express train. Yeah, this is the express train. So I don't know if I see people inside or why would be not started. These days too, not hard day too, like the one you see on the CJ. No, not the hard day too. It's the peak day too. I mean that locomotive, that the hard things you want to see on the seats on the change. Not the one, the piece to like, cause I in this locomotive. I don't know the passenger car name of the passenger. I know the name of the diesel. This is bus train to Pop. I don't know what was that. I know I read. Call I'm not how to pronounce it though. Since that is the Amtrak I think one should be here for now. Yes, that's the one train. That's the one train bridge. Yeah. There's an Amtrak that's coming, but I don't see none yet. But the Amtrak train is a different train, go all around everywhere in the USA except for a few states. So probably wait for one Amtrak train. I think it's probably going this way. I think I'm gonna go. I can't say all day. So alright, let's watch. like the not like the sound like the metronome variable times, and it's not also not no kind of real times. It's like every 2-3 hours. I don't know what train is that, but it sounds like a locomotive. Pretty lucky to just be an Amtrak train. I don't think the M3A is running. They probably are. Cause wait. Getting kind of late. It's like about 2:23 in the afternoon. It's like today's Saturday. Don't December 3rd, basically, and it's like about the time is about 2:23. I can wait for like about 2 or 3 more trains and then I'll head back. If I don't see no Amtrak, I promise you next time I'll probably go off on Amtrak, like on the New Haven line, close to. I'm gonna wait for 3 more trains. Today, I know I can't say my food. It's gonna be from now on, different now. It's gonna be rough and cold. But no way, I will take how they will ride for this ride. Not now, but pretty soon.